What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Shiba. It's been highly requested, so I'm going to do it here. Currently sitting at 0.000032. We're up almost 18% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 12.26 billion. 24-hour volume is 6.43 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And grab one of their incredible Visa cards. For cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So we can see here Shiba absolutely exploded. We got overextended and we came right down to the 20 EMA, which is extremely healthy, guys. The fact that we held that as support. Now we did blow up rather quickly here. It was a bit of a steep correction, about a 40% drop here. But the fact that we're holding the EMAs is an extremely bullish sign of continuation for Shiba. If we look at Shiba here on the daily, there's a massive bull flag pattern. So what you would do here is you would draw your flagpole from the bottom to the top, and it brings you all the way up to this target at 0.004814. So this is a massive pattern on the daily to keep an eye on. We are overextended from the 20 EMA just because we've had a massive pump here. You can see the 20 EMA is just forming on this chart here. So if Shiba can maintain this kind of pump and then consolidation, pump, consolidation, and we could definitely see continuation for Shiba, but the harder it pumps, the steeper the correction. Just something to keep an eye on, guys. But the fact that we're beautifully holding the support of the EMAs here on the 4-hour chart is a good sign for continuation. You can see we're finding some resistance at the 0.786. I pulled our Fibonacci here from the all-time high down to the swing low here. So currently we're testing the 0.786, but the fact that we're back above the golden ratio gives you a stronger sign that you're going to head up to the all-time high here at 0.000039 and the 1.272 extension here at 0.000005. And then I'll give you a future price target here at the 1.618 extension at 0.000066. And from the current price for Shiba, that's a juicy gain of 100%. Now, if we were to get rejected here by the 0.786, most likely what will happen is we just come back down to the EMAs. We come back down to the 20 EMA and we see that continuation. If the 20 EMA were to be broken, do target the golden ratio here at 0.0002. But Shiba has some nice volume that has stepped in here. So watch for us to get back above the 0.786 and basically break our high and head up to our all-time high at 0.00003 for Shiba. And just keep an eye on this larger pattern on the daily bull pennant. Your target's all the way up at 0.000048. All right, guys. Hey, big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. We have rooms for all our popular coins. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Check out my full link tutorial and grab your up to $600 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. Much love. Take care.